একটা এসছে আলিপুর থেকে। সামনে যে রাস্তাটা চলে গেছে এই রাস্তাটা গেছে হচ্ছে জয়ন্তী রিভার বেড, যেখান থেকে জয়ন্তী মহাকাল যাওয়া যাবে। এই যে গাড়িটা যে রাস্তায় চলে গেল এই রাস্তাটা গেছে হচ্ছে বক্সার দিকে। এই রাস্তাতে যাব, এই রাস্তার শেষ প্রান্তে হচ্ছে লেপচাখা। 5 kilometers serpentine road to reach the fort. Along with this, the viewpoint of the three rivers here, the Jayanti, Dima and the BUXA river going there, and it is a beautiful viewpoint also in this route. And thereafter another place that is called Lepchaka. The few peoples are there, but it is also a beautiful place to visit there, and some homestays local peoples are maintaining beautiful food along with lodging and everything amenities there. It is a buzzing destination of nowadays the travel enthusiasts, the tourists of nearby places like nearby districts, as well as from the South Bengal's peoples also come to visit here to see the historic place, as well as Jayanti riverbed, beautiful Joda Pahar, and lastly Lepchaka. So you may consider it as a travel destination in this summer, and it is a very low cost, cheap budget here. You may come from Alipurduar junction. It is at around 20 kilometers away from there, Santalbari, and thereafter you have to trek there 3 to 3.5 kilometers, and thereafter Lepchaka 2.5 kilometers there. It's a monastery here. You can see the beautiful color along with the flags is the Buddhist people. This is the Drukpa people are living here. You may know the Drukpa, the Bhutan also the people of the Drukpa, the Druk, and it is here also in Westbrngal, Alipurduar district. There are two types of tribe. They came from Tibet, the old continuation from Tibet, but they are inhabited here nowadays. That is, one is Monpa, another is Drukpa. All the Tibetan, the Buddhist culture people you will get to found here. That is the Drukpa people, and another that is Monpa you will found there at Arunachal Pradesh. पार कर दिया सही सलामत। अभी चलते हैं हमारे डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ।
दिन कोई चैना
जो दीदी का दुकान है, ये दुकान में मैं जितने बार आया उतने बार इधर मोमो खाया। मुझे अच्छा लगता है, बस यही हालत लत पड़ गया। बस दुकान बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन यही दुकान में मेरा मुझे खाना है बस। एक हेलमेट भी रख दिया, उनका घर में ही रखा भाई। दीदी दो छोटा छोटा ना बच्चे थे, उनका इधर तस्वीर लेकर गया था। वो बच्चा अभी गया तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया शायद, हो गया ना। एक लड़की था एक लड़का था, यही इधर ही तस्वीर खींचा है, ये 4-5 साल पहले। তো এটা হচ্ছে বক্সা ফোর্ট যাওয়ার পথে একটা ভিউ পয়েন্ট, যেখান থেকে খুব সুন্দর দেখা যায়। এখান থেকে নেমে গেছে জয়ন্তী নদী, এই আর কি। তো এখানে একটু থোবড়াটা দেখাই কেমন হয়, এই আর কি। অন্ধকার, থোবড়া ভালো দেখা যাবে না। এই এবার থোবড়া দেখলে ভিউ পয়েন্ট দেখা যাবে না, ভিউ পয়েন্ট দেখলে থোবড়া দেখা যাবে না, তাহলে থাক। আমি হয়তো এই বনস্পতির গন্ধটা দেখাতে পারবো না। অ্যাকচুয়ালি কী হয়েছে, এই যে বৃষ্টিটা হয়েছে, অলরেডি রেন ইজ ফলিং স্টার্টেড হিয়ার অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ দ্য রেনি সিজন. I may not able to show you the fragrance of the veggies, but I can feel the tranquility, the serene of this forest. And it is here, I am here at BUXA Fort. I am going towards the BUXA Fort here. Just feel it. You may know or not, I don't know, but it is every season, every forest, every veggies have their own fragrance. It is, I can feel it here. I am here at BUXA Fort, just going towards, and it is Alipurduar, West Bengal. The aroma of the blooming flowers, the fragrance, I can't show you, but I may just able to feel you the tranquility, the serenity of this forest here, serenity of the veggies, the cricket sound, the wind whispering, all together, all around me. It is here. Just feel it. We are lucky enough. We are getting in our doorstep here. Just hello. तो आप बताया ये शोर के लिए आप बना रहे हो, फिर ये बॉयल करेंगे ना? हाँ
चावल दे के बॉयल करना है।
अच्छा, तो फिर चावल भी देना है ना? हाँ
ये नहीं खाता ना।
वो ऐसे नहीं खाता है। वाह, कितना सुंदर फूल उगाए हैं आपने। फूल करना माना है ना। Actually, it is the rainy season here, so you can see, you can experience less blossoms here. In autumn season, September, last of August, September, and October, you will get to find here. Hello. क्या कर रहे हैं? वो मिर्ची ये बाहर से खरीदा हुआ है ना? अच्छा, ओके। हेलो, नमस्ते। क्या है? क्या है? टमाटर है ना?
हाँ जी, टमाटर नहीं।
तो
क्या मजा आया?
आलू बखरा।
आलू बखरा।
ये जो खट्टा होगा।
जी सर।
एक टेस्ट करते हैं।
जी सर।
बहुत तो नहीं खट्टा।
एकदम अवश्य।
थैंक यू।
ओके सर, वेलकम।
बैठे। तो क्या क्या मिल जाते हैं रास्ते में, सफर में?
सर मैं बोलता हूँ फर्स्ट टाइम
ये प्यार से दिया है तो मैं भी टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ क्या है। वाह, खट्टा है लेकिन स्वादिष्ट है। ये जो है ये टेस्ट जो है इनहेंस करेगा, ऐसा है ना?
जी सर। मैं लेबर हूँ सर।
अच्छा अच्छा, अब क्या काम करते हो?
लेबर सर।
लेबर का?
जी सर।
अच्छा, वो पोर्टर का काम करते
जी
हो?
पोर्टर काम है। मेरा परिवार भी ये ज़्यादा है सर, और मेरे घर बैठने का लायक नहीं है, सब उन्हें धस गया सब ने।
I have already reached here at BUXA Fort. You can see it is renovation work is going on here, and now it is restricted site. The devastating flood that Alipurduar had witnessed in 1993 damaged the boundary wall, cells, pond, a tennis court, and a helipad, said a local resident here. And someone, archaeological consultant, conducted study of the fort and restoration mostly done till date yet to be revealed for the visitors soon. The Alipurduar district administration and the state public works department are drawing up plans for the renovation and restoration of the historic BUXA Fort. A few months back, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had sanctioned 5 crore rupees for the revival of the fort that was used as a detention camp during the British rule. Located in the Sinchula range of Himalayas at a highest of 2,900 feet, the fort was built by the Bhutan kings and later captured by the British. They used it as a detention camp and hundreds of freedom fighters were kept there for years after years. In due course, the fort turned into ruins because of lack of proper maintenance, but even now it draws hundreds of visitors' attention, particularly trek enthusiast visitors, because of the idyllic landscape with Bhutan hills
forming the backdrop. They moved through a 3.5 kilometer.
And very soon it will be inaugurated by the government officials. And before that, I would like to show you what is going on there, and that is why I have came here. This place, it is the 1931. From that time, it was the prisoners were prisoned here by the British government. They are the राजबंदी. उतर जाऊंगा. तो यह टोटल रेस्ट्रिक्टेड साइड है. हम इसका अंदर नहीं जा सकते हैं क्योंकि ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आर्कियोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट जो है उनका सुपरविजन में ये काम हो रहा है. तो हम ये कानून का उल्लंघन नहीं करते हैं. तो हम लोग सब ये कानून को रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, इसीलिए अंदर नहीं गया. तो मैं जो बात बता रहा था ये है एट अराउंड 17th century द भूटान किंग वाज invaded Bhabaghure in this way, and you will get to found 2.5 kilometers away it is Bhutan. And thereafter tri-party agreement was made by the Britishers, the Bhutanese and the Bhabaghure kingdom on 1775, and that is why it is get the most importance here. This is the BUXA FORT Alipurduar district, West Bengal. The British are used to send the freedom fighters present here. One place was there at Andaman, that is Kalapani, and another place it is here at BUXA Fort, and it is one of the remotest place here. No roads, no populations were there in that time. And 1931 the prisoners wrote a letter to Rabindranath Tagore, and Rabindranath Tagore replied them with a poem, and that is written there. And in memories of that festival, some of our people, our locality, they are organized a program on 2019, and we have also planned a program this year also, but it is not able due to government order was not passed, and we cannot afford this program without any legal permission or anything. So I am just going towards the Lepchaka, the last village of Indian part, thereafter the Bhutan. Just stay tuned with me. I will show you what's happened thereafter.